Hey, it's Dustin. Did you know that 80% of new hairstylists out of beauty school will drop out of this career within 18 months? This is a real problem, and my goal is to help you not become one of those statistics. I think the top 3 reasons for this failure have to do with starting out on the right foot, because things that start well tend to finish well. When you get out of beauty school, the first thing you'll need to do is get some startup cash. You don't need much, but you'll need some money to at least rent a chair, buy your tools, and some money to be able to spend on marketing. So if you don't have the money, save a couple $1,000s so you can start off strong. Next, you need to have some sort of plan of how you will grow, and your prices need to be set strategically. In the business world, we call this a business plan, but I don't want you to get in the weeds on this. You just need to know how you're going to fund your business, where you're going to work, and what your prices will be, and how you will get new clients and keep them coming back. Starting a hair business is not rocket science. You need to start with a solid plan and then stick to the plan. Finally, the biggest reason most hairstylists fail in the first 18 months is because they don't have a good way to get new clients consistently. If you aren't building every day, eventually you're going to run out of money and you'll have to shut down. I don't want this to happen for you. I want you to not only get by as a hairstylist, but I want you to surpass your wildest goals. If you want to grow to a 6-figure plus hair business, I'm ready to help. Go ahead and click the button below to sign up for Salon Marketing University, where you will learn the step-by-step process to getting new clients on autopilot so that you can live the life of your dreams. So click the button below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the course.